How to buy SWIFT on Charles Schwab step by step. Most people get this wrong, but buying SWIFT on Charles Schwab is simpler than it seems. You won't believe how quickly you can set up and make your first purchase when you follow the right steps. First, log into your Charles Schwab account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it by providing your personal information, verifying your identity, and linking a bank account. Make sure your account is fully funded before proceeding. Next, navigate to the Trade tab. In the search bar, type SWOOP. This is the ticker symbol for the Schwab's 500 index fund. Once it appears, select it to open the fund's trading page. Now, choose the type of order. Most beginners use a market order for instant execution at the current price, but you can also select a limit order if you want to buy only at a specific price. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest or the number of shares you wish to purchase. After reviewing your order, double-check that the information is correct, including account type, dollar amount, and ticker symbol. Confirm the trade, and you'll receive a notification once your purchase is completed. Finally, track your investment. SWIFT is a long-term index fund, so don't stress over daily fluctuations. Check your account periodically to monitor performance, dividends, and reinvestments. In conclusion, buying on Charles Schwab is straightforward. Log in, search for SWIFT, choose your order type, confirm the purchase, and track your investment. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to investing in the SWIFT 500 index efficiently and securely.